Have you ever felt like you're doing all the work, texting first, planning everything, constantly trying to keep her interested, and getting little to nothing in return? Yeah, I've been there. But here's what no one tells you. The key isn't playing hard to get. It's becoming the kind of man who naturally draws people in without needing to chase anyone. That starts with shifting your focus off her and back onto you. Start showing up for yourself. Hit the gym, build your skills, get passionate about something, anything that lights you up. Grow your social circle and invest in experiences that make your life feel full, even when she's not in it. Why? Because energy doesn't lie. When you're genuinely fulfilled, she feels it. You're no longer chasing approval, you're just living. And that calm-centered vibe, it's magnetic. You stop sending anxious follow-ups. You stop wondering why she hasn't replied. Instead, you stay grounded because you know your time is valuable. And the crazy part? That's usually the moment she starts showing interest. Not because you played games, but because you stopped making her your mission and started becoming the man worth chasing. So if you're tired of the imbalance, flip the script. Focus on your growth. Let her feel the difference between a guy who chases and a man who lives his own life. That's the real flex. And it doesn't take a trick. It just takes you choosing yourself first. If you're ready to start showing up differently, hit like and drop a comment. It's time to level up for real.